Madame Medusa, HBIC Tremaine, Scar, Maleficent, Ursula. Get Ratchet! With your pettiness combined, I am Queen of the Ratchet! Let's get Ratchet, let's turn up ho! You've been talking shit, so come on, let's go! I'm not crazy, you've been spreading lies! And it's time to punch you dead in your eye! Let's get Ratchet, let's turn up ho! You've been talking shit, so come on, let's go! It is time to get you right, because you keep trying my dim life. Listen, stay clear, that's what you should do. Cause you already know that we don't fuck with you. Talking that shit is not the way. Listen to what Queen of the Ratchet has to say. Cruella de Vil's in the fucking building, bitch! Why, it's Maleficent! We didn't invite any black people! Shh. I was kind of upset with you, King Stephan. You know Black Fairy Lives Matter, and you got all these white people up in here. You got rich white people, middle class white people, and oh! You even got some white trailer trash up in this motherfucker! Get out of here! Oh, what was that? Don't make me beat your fat ass in this, bitch. I will hurt you, bitch. You better hold her fat ass back. She don't want the end of this. I will lay her out. Now, listen well, because you guys didn't want to invite me to this motherfucker. The white privileged child will now marry a black man. Oh no.